6th grade. I go to Chaparral Elementary. This is my Python project that I made using the Raspberry Pi right here. This project started out as a one-level guessing game. It has a range of numbers and you have a certain amount of chances. Then I decided to make a little bit more levels. The day after that, we did programming with hardware and light bulbs and using the breadboard. So I decided to add that into my game also. So here it is right here. And if I show you a quick demonstration of my project.
The camera next week is going to be.
So right here, this is all the input and outputs of the GPIO pins. They're right here. And here are the wires that connect them. These are the LEDs right here. These are the libraries that have been imported right here. So this is how it works. My game is called Number Jumbo, and I shall start it now. Okay, so right here is the shell, and I'll be running it through the shell, and I'll be playing my game. So, there's two versions of my game that I made. One's called Sandbox. You create your own, and one's called Levels. It's still in process. It's not totally finished, but most of it's already done. So I'm gonna go ahead and do Levels right here. So they'll first ask me for my name. Put in my name. So this is what it'll show up, and I have to go like. And if I get it wrong, it'll tell me like too low or. So I'll do like this. So there's my number, and right here with using my program, I made the LED light up if I got it right, and that's like a blue light. I don't know. I'll just like do this really quickly. Well. Right here is all the programming that I've done. Like the next level, it just has 1 through 10 instead of 1 through 5, and you get more chances. And I use many if and else statements. I used many different functions in this thing and different variables. And I let the people they input in some places. Like at the start right here, you input whatever you want, sandbox or levels. And that's kind of about what it is. Any questions?
What was the most challenging part of the coding process?
Adding in the light bulbs, because that took a long time. And it was mainly the hardest part overall. Any other questions?
What happens if somebody enters an alphabet?
If they answer an alphabet, this is what will happen. The program will quit because it won't understand. It needs answers in integers, and if you answer in a string, it won't realize it, and it'll end the program.
Oh, okay. Should there be something else it could do instead of ending it?
Yeah, it should be able to like start over or something like that.
I'll give you another chance, maybe.
Anybody else? Henry?
Chloe, what just happened? Do you do the sandbox?
No,
Wait. So you know that part where you showed me that? You know that part where you showed me that it has that impossible level?
yeah.
Can you do that part? Or like, can you go there?
Let me get there. Oh no. Okay. Just 1 second, let this go through. Yeah, right here, there's a white light. Thanks. Whatever, I'm not gonna do it right now, but.
So what happened?
Huh?
What happened? Why didn't it work?
Huh?
Why didn't it work?
Because I put in the number too early. I didn't
Okay.
wait, but, wait, oh, one second. me find it. So right. So here it'll ask you a question. You probably can't see it. Oh no. What did I do?
Okay, slow down.
Huh?
You can just explain.
Okay, so over there it was gonna ask you a question, whether if you want to continue the sandbox or not. I mean, if you want to continue the impossible level or not. And if you answered no, it would end the program. If you answered yes, it would just do it.
Any other
it.
questions? Alright, thank you.